Okay, we've got to solve, graph, and give interval notation for this absolute value inequality. Now when we're doing absolute value, we have to keep in mind the distance from 0. So we have 6 here, but we also need to keep in mind the -6. Okay, so the way I like to do it is just what I've written there. Just put the negative, so I guess let me start by saying just leave the first part, x plus 4 is less than 6, and then put this inequality here. So same, it's less than here, and then the -6. And then we just solve. So we minus 4 to all 3 parts. We get -6 minus 4 is -10, is less than x, is less than 2, and that's our answer. Now if you like, you can also write it separately, x plus 4 is less than 6. You just need to remember this is and x plus 4, keep the x plus 4 the same, is greater than -6. So you just flip the sign, make it negative, just like we do with the greater ones, but you just have to remember that one's and. Okay, either way you'll get the same answer, or at least similar answers. Okay, when you're graphing, so we'll have a point at -10 and a point here at 2. Now these will both be open circles. Why will they be open circles? Well, they're not equal to, so they're not including those numbers, so they're just going to be open. Now if you do want to break this apart, you can kind of think, okay, x is greater than -10, so we're going this way here, but x is less than 2, and it has to be both of those at the same time. So it's just going to be this line in between the two numbers. Okay, so that's our graph. And so we can see interval notation, there is a place they intersect, and it is just there from -10 to 2. Here, are we going to have parentheses or brackets? Well, again, it's not equal to, and so these will just be parentheses. It's just going to start right after -10 and end right before 2, but it can't include those numbers to be considered true for this inequality. Hopefully that helps.